The world is now 7 billion plus, but how many contacts you have in your contact list, or how many people you actually know in your own vicinity? I am sure quite a few. Maybe the person who can change the course of your life is just close to you and you're unaware. This is where Netclan steps in. Netclan is an innovative social networking platform, a seamless blend of global connectivity and hyperlocal networking. It's not just a standard app for chatting, sharing content, or making audio or video calls worldwide. Netclan goes the extra mile, focusing on connecting users with others in their immediate vicinity, enabling you to form meaningful relationships with those around you. Imagine this. With Netclan, your hyperlocal network travels with you, introducing you to verified users nearby as you navigate your day. This not only strengthens real-world relationships with neighbors, co-workers, and local businesses, but also fosters a sense of community and belonging. Netclan emphasizes connections within your own neighborhood, painting a fresh picture of social networking that enhances the quality of life and fosters stronger communities from the grassroots level. So what is Netclan in a nutshell? It's a revolutionary platform offering a new way to connect globally while nurturing meaningful relationships locally. It's about making social media more personal, more community-oriented. It's about recognizing the value of our immediate surroundings and the people within them. It's time to uncover the untapped potential of hyperlocal networking. It's time for Netclan